Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you a trick that many of you have been waiting for, how to monitor someone's WhatsApp, read messages and see photos without them noticing. Yes, since you are listening to it, let's find out how it is possible to do it. So if you want to know more about this topic, let's go ahead. To begin with, it is important to mention that I am not promoting what would be an invasion of someone's privacy. So this trick should only be used in extreme cases, such as when someone is suspected of lying or hiding information. After a long search, I found the effective method. Now that it's clear, let's get started. The first step. Go to Google and search basespy.com. This site works by means of artificial intelligence, and it has become very popular in recent times. Even the company WhatsApp talked about it on Twitter. So hurry up to try it out before it gets deleted. As you can see, the website design is simple and easy to use. Here you can choose the country and enter the WhatsApp number. Then press Start. Now we are looking for WhatsApp. We are waiting for a while until it finds a way to take the files. There is no physical access to the phone. You will be able to read messages and view photos without the other person noticing. As you can see, the process was completed successfully and you got all the files. This is really impressive. The last step. If this human verification appears, congratulations, files have been accessed. Now I'm going to complete this simple verification, which is to complete one of these offers, and it varies depending on the country you are in. You will be asked to confirm your phone number, email, or install an app. Then it will be transferred directly to WhatsApp. It asks me for my phone number to complete the verification successfully. Voila! You now have access to all of the person's conversations, files, and contacts. It's easy, right? But remember, it is important to make sure that you have the other person's permission before you try to clone their WhatsApp. Cloning someone's WhatsApp without their consent is illegal and can result in serious legal consequences. Well, friends, I hope you liked this video and that this trick has been useful to monitor someone's WhatsApp, read messages, and see photos without them noticing. Don't forget to share this video if you liked it and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any video. See you in the next tutorial.